Hello, hope you're doing well. Hope you had a great Christmas. Today we're going to be talking about percussion caps. If you're into cap and ball, or if you're thinking about it, you'll know that number 10 caps are getting extremely hard to find, and even number 11 caps are getting harder to find. So we'll be getting into showing you how to make your own percussion caps coming right up. Well, I just checked a few minutes ago, and CCI number 10s are not even found on Cabela's website anymore. The CCI number 11s on Cabela's is $8 a tin. But I'm going to show you a way you can make your own caps for just a couple of pennies a piece. So what I wanted to show you was this little device here, and we'll get into how it works here in a second. And I already popped a couple out earlier, and I know you're not going to really be able to see it, but let's bring this board in. That's what it looks like. I took some pictures earlier. I'll post that right now, right down here. And you can see I got the number 10s, 11s, and some of the homemade ones sitting side by side there. Now when you buy this device, I'll put a link down below right here, and then also put a link down in the description. When you buy this device, this is what it looks like. Comes in this little packaging here, and then here's a couple more pictures of the device so you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like. Now when you're working with aluminum, be very careful. It is extremely sharp, and I could not find my small gloves, so no, I'm not getting ready to go welding. Okay, what you want to do is you want to take a piece of aluminum can, cut it approximately 3/4 of an inch to an inch. Then on the device here, you'll see that there's a thin cutout. You can see it better in this picture right here. Anyway, you take that cutout, put it off to the side. Take your aluminum strip, put it into that groove, like so, and make sure it's pushed all the way back to the back of that groove. Kind of hold it in place, drop the die in, then they show you can just hit it with your hand like that, but I'm sorry, doesn't work for me, but that does. Then you just pull it back out, tap it down, and there's your cap. Like I said, you can make them penny a piece. There's going to be a part 2 to this video. We got some compound coming that we're going to be mixing up, and we're going to be making our own caps, and then we'll go out and fire them, see how they work. Let's go ahead and make one more of these. No, I'm not going to hold it in this time because I already took the glove off. There we go. Oop. It popped out, and then I think I smashed it. Yeah, it popped out and then I smashed it. Let's go ahead and make one more. I will put my glove on so I can hold it in there properly. There we go. Pop it out. Whoa, I don't know what happened to that one. Okay. Let's try it one more. Gee, that first one came out so beautiful. I might have one stuck down in there or something. There we go. That one came out good. Now they're not as pretty as your store-bought caps, but in a pinch, it's going to do the job. Let me show you. Let's take a number 10. That's what normally I would shoot on this. This is for my 1851 Navy. You can see the cap fits on there pretty snug. Now let me show you the number 11s. Get it turned the right way. Put it on. Oh, that's one of the ones I smashed earlier. Anyway, number 11s don't like to stay on. As you can see, it just fell off if you didn't see that. And this maker makes number 11s, but what you do is you just take, because it's just a tin can, so you just smash it with your finger a little bit, pop it on there, and that stays on there pretty good. Now we'll be mixing up the compound in the next video here, and actually priming some of these. Oh, that's number 10. Priming some of these up, and we'll go out and we'll fire them off, and you can see how well they do. There will be a link down in below where you can pick this device up. And the same company where I got this from is where I ordered the Primal. The Primal is a combination of, I think it's 4 compounds you mix together. In fact, that's why I picked this little guy up, because you do not want to be mixing this compound in a metal container of any kind, or using a metal object to combine them, because once they're mixed together they do become an explosive. So we'll be getting into that next video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click the subscribe button below. Click that little bell icon right there. That way you'll be notified as soon as we upload the next video. And right up here in the cards, I'll put a list where you can go and see some of the other videos that I made pertaining to the cap and ball revolver. So until next time, stay prepared.